Going through heartbreak, it's anguish. Sometimes someone leaves our life willingly, while other times it's not. But both ways create indescribable pain. In this video, I'm going to talk about two very important things you need to remember when you're heartbroken. Hi, my name's Langetica. I'm a master certified life coach, a certified relationship coach, and I'm the author of this popular toxic relationship book that you can find on Amazon. I know you're in a lot of pain right now, so let's go ahead and hop into two things that I need you to remember while going through this really difficult time. The first thing I want you to remember is that this pain is temporary. I know it might not feel like that right now. You probably feel like you're in an eternity of darkness with no light in sight. But even though the pain feels endless, and even though it feels like every day you get up is no better than the last, it is temporary and it does get better. Sometimes it takes a lot longer than we wish it would. And even though there's a part of you that might always miss them, I want you to know that it's okay to miss them. But you will find happiness again. You will find peace, and you will be able to move forward from this. I want you to just take one day at a time, and when a day feels like it's too much, then don't take the whole day. Just take it hour by hour. And when an hour even feels like it's too much, I just want you to take it moment by moment. It's okay to feel really overwhelmed about even just getting through the day. That's okay to feel, and that's perfectly normal. So instead of thinking about having to get through the entire day, I want you to think about getting through just this moment. And I want you to ask yourself, how can I support myself during this time? How can I love myself during this time? How can I show myself more compassion during this time? Because it is when you feel the lowest in your life that you need to show yourself the most compassion. Now, before I get to the second thing, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please pause this video, take a moment, and do so. Life can be chaotic and hectic, and sometimes we can feel really, really lost. This is why I upload weekly videos to help you get through the hardships in life. Now let's hop on to the second thing that I want you to remember when experiencing heartbreak. I need you to remember there are still so many beautiful things in this life just waiting for you to experience. I know the darkness right now feels like it's suffocating you. And honestly, when we're so deep in the darkness, it's hard to see anything good because we feel like we're blinded to it. But even though it feels like a never-ending hell on earth, it does get better. Eventually, the pain starts to subside and the beautiful things begin to return into your life. The best days of your life are on their way to you. And I know it might not feel like that right now. I know it feels really, really dark, but they're coming. It's going to get better. And you are going to one day look back at this moment and go, I am so grateful I kept moving forward. There are so many beautiful memories waiting for you to create. There's so many beautiful moments that you are going to experience. And there's so many things that are just going to make your heart feel warm again, that are going to return to you and that are going to come in your direction. Take things one day at a time, just this one step. You don't have to look at the mountain of a life that you have to climb. Just take one step at a time and know that it's going to be okay, even though right now it's not. And it's okay to not be okay. Just keep moving forward. I know you're tired. I know you're hurting. I know you probably feel lost, but I want you to take things one day at a time, one step at a time, one moment at a time, and know that you are going to get through this and beautiful things are coming into your life. Now I want to hear from you. What is something beautiful that you haven't experienced yet, but you always wanted to experience? I would love to hear what you have to say in the comment section below. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video. And check out my other videos on heartbreak to help you get through this difficult time. I hope you have a wonderful day.